Hello, I'm going to show you the new KSS80. I'm going to use a long reference point, measure with the meter stick, and here I have my long reference point. Now I only need to know my gradient. On the bottom is a fixed stop. The cut edge is always at the rubber lip here and here. Instead of my angle or my bevel, I can give the gradient. 22.5 degrees across the fixed edge. Now my 22.5 degrees, then I can still swing the machine to 30 degrees here. Simply move against the part, align the machine with the length reference point, and slide over it, just so. Of course, if the cutting length of 37 centimeters is not enough, and we need to cut for longer, then we can simply take it down from the rail, and we have the option of taking the machine up and down using movement pressure. There are two scales, one with a guide rail and one without, so that we have always set the right cut depth. Here, as we've already described, the swivel area to 60 degrees, a clamp, open, set my new correct gradient, clamp shut again, no longer front and back but through the cable. And that moment where I tilt the lever back, it tightens simultaneously at the back. If I traverse across the part and the protective cap opens by itself, simply activate the protective cap with the pendular cover retractor. Then we go on. Here we still have a retractable riving knife for plunge cutting, which we'll see now. We have a rotation speed adjustment on it for the different materials, and of course the machine can also be used with the normal nut on the normal rail. The protective cap opens by itself, and we go with our measure where we want to go, and we can get started. Now to changing the saw blade. The machine is plugged in, the power is on. Now we have the option to press the button in, we tilt the lever, and right away we cannot start the machine. The motor housing is leveled with the 4 studs. That means we line it up nicely so that we don't have to feed in the protective cap every time. It practically goes with the pendular cover here. We take the Allen screw out, get in position, without spindle locking, just start turning. The blade locks immediately, we can take it out, insert the new one, put the Allen screw back in again at the back, and then the machine itself, just like so. Now there'd be power on the machine again, and it's ready to cut again. So we have the connection with the cross-cut rail, the cross-cut blade setup, we have the retractable wedge for plunging, we can swivel the machine to 60 degrees. We have a variable speed adjustment on it for the different materials, and the cutting height adjustment is made here. And of course, the pendular cover retractor here. That's fine. That was fun. Thank you.